So it's very common to address tension in the hands and tension in the body physically first, right? We would go to a Tubman approach, Alexander technique, listen to Barbara Lister sing. It's all great to establish the awareness in our body, to be aware, where do we keep tension, just to be aware how to avoid tension or avoid uncomfortable angles that make our wrist feel uneasy, how to make sure there is alignment between the parts of the arms, also alignment with the music written in the score. So this is the physical approach, and it is absolutely essential, but it is not enough. The next level is to go to eliminating mental tension, because if we just physically describe the effect of our inner correct sensation, it's not gonna work. It's not enough. So when we are able to start communicating on the level of imagination, when we both talk about the same thing that we feel inside in our imagination in terms of the sound quality or sound direction, if we are able to just imagine the sound in our mind in a very warm and soft quality, that right away gives the response to our physical sensations, just like with imagining, that lemon in our mouth would make our mouth to salivate. This is, like I said, it's a next level, and this is also a good approach to address tension that we might hold in our mind, that then unfortunately expresses itself in tension when we play. A very good example, when most of us, me including, about 20 years ago, when we play with no music in our head except, a tune and some harmonies that we've been repeating so many times, it's kind of like stuck in our mind, and we're just playing with this constant tension and anxiety in our head. That right away will be reflected in how you even approach the keyboard, how stiff you will feel in your entire body. So I would say, and I would really insist on that without achieving a healthy tension in our mind, by creating the sound that we really want to produce, because tension is caused by confusion. So when we have a clear goal and we have a clear imagination in our mind, the tension goes away. Without that, we cannot achieve full relaxation in our body, even with the most efficient wrist and arm motions. We can literally copy everything that our best teachers in the world show us, but we will not be able to reproduce and copy their inner sensations, even if they just say, keep your wrist flexible and arm relaxed. But what is even more fascinating is that there is a third level, and I propose that this is an energetic tension. So we carry physical tension, mental, and also energetic. And without resolving energetic tension, even mental and physical are not going to be enough. If you've been having quite a few failures on stage, you felt frustrated when you played to your teacher, or even after hours of practice at home, you will inevitably experience a feeling of a fear of rejection, feeling very anxious and insecure. This will be carried in your energetic body. When we touch the key, we engage 3 levels of our body: physical, mental, and energetic as well. So even, for example, you can imagine beautiful soft violins, or a beautiful sound in your mind, which is colored and filtered with beautiful reverb, and it's just all round and flowing and relaxed and singing. And then you use the correct movement of your wrist and arm to express that sound. But if you do that subconsciously, without even realizing, in the habitual pattern of anxiety, and that you're doing something wrong and that you're not good enough, then this is what you literally imprint into the tone production. This will be the very energy of your mental and physical touch, in a way. So, in some strange way, you could say that if you're not addressing and working with that energy of anxiety and transform it into the energy of your, well, unmet needs, really, what is behind anxiety, to be accepted, to feel protected, to feel safe. If you don't consciously change this feeling inside you and start practicing only with this feeling, what are you practicing? You're practicing anxiety, and you're becoming a master of playing with anxiety. Or even after practicing, carrying that anxiety within yourself during the day. So we need to, again, rethink how we approach relaxation. It's not only physical or even mental, it's also energetic.